Have you ever tried a sport so tough that you wanted to quit halfway through, but sticking with it really paid off in the end? I have. In this episode, I'm going to share my aching experience on cross-country skiing, what I faced, and what you can do to make your time on the trails better. In an effort to get outside more this winter, my friends and I decided to participate in cross-country skiing and took some lessons. Why? Because it's a great cardio workout and can be done anywhere there's snow. And living in Canada, you can always find snow. If you've never cross-country skied before, know that there's a bit of a learning curve and it takes some patience and time to get used to the unique equipment. I found that the soft boots to be very comfortable, and they offer me more freedom to move my feet than my downhill ski boots. I know, these aren't the same sports, and the equipment has few real comparisons. These ski boots come with a metal bar in the front and clip into the ski bindings. Downhill skis offer a wax base, while these cross-country cousins have a glide wax on the front and rear sections, and the middle section has fish scales which grip the snow when pushing down on the ski. These skis are skinnier than the downhill variety, and my ankles would roll if the tracks were choppy or when I hit an icy patch. Movements too far backward sent me onto my butt, or too far forward launched me head first towards the ground. But I got really good at getting up and back onto my feet. After a couple of hours practicing the movements, I was able to successfully bend my knees, push down on the balls of my feet, and glide across the snow. Once we learned the technique and the diagonal stride, we took off along the trail to make our rounds. We were lucky that there weren't many steep inclines or declines along this route, because that takes a bunch of skills that we hadn't entirely developed yet. But I did get a chance to practice some short strides. I only fell one more time when we were along the trail, but luckily my tailbone broke my fall. Progress! It was great to be out getting fresh air and to see so many other individuals, couples, and families along the track trail enjoying the beautiful Sunday afternoon. We're participating in various activities all the time. If you want to see more experience videos, check out our YouTube Shorts playlist, which can help inspire your next adventure. It's free to join in on the fun, so hit that subscribe button so you can see what we have coming up next. Looking back at my day on the tracks, here's some things that I learned about cross-country skiing that I found helpful. Bring a backpack so you can shed excess layers into it and use it as a cushion to fall on. Designated areas groom their tracks often, so get out when it's fresh. No matter if you're skiing or out enjoying nature, respect groomed trails. Fat bikes, snowshoes, foot and paw prints damage ski tracks. Many ski trails travel in one direction. Observe directional signage. Remember, keep your nose over your toes and avoid extending your arms and poles too far forward. Be aware of others around you. Step out of tracks and off the trail with your equipment so others can pass safely. Watch for signs of frostbite, hypothermia, and fatigue. Everyone falls. It's not a big deal if you do it too. Cross-country skiing was definitely a challenging activity, which allowed me to work on my muscles, improve my balance, and break a sweat. I'm really excited to get out there and attempt this activity again when there's an abundance of fresh snow to fall into. If you have any suggestions for activities or adventures that you would like to see showcased on our channel, let us know in the comments below. We are the Artistry of Adventure, and we want to spark your creativity to help you experience adventure. Stay connected, hit the like button, and subscribe to our channel for more great advice and inspiration. Now get out there and face the elements.